Hello parents, hello students, my name is Derek Thomas. I will be teaching you or one of your children in one of my English classes this year at Plant High School. We are going to spend a little time today just kind of giving a brief overview of what those courses entail. I'm not going to focus too much on the unknowns that exist right now, because even with about 10 days left before school starts, there are still many things left to be decided. So instead, what I'm going to try to tell you is what I do know. And what I do know is that if you are in one of my 10th grade courses, either Advanced English 2 or Advanced Honors English 2, we will be studying the pre-AP English framework for English 2 and preparing ourselves for the rigors of college English. At Plant, that comes in the form of AP English Literature and or AP English Language. And if you're not going to take one of those courses in 11th or 12th grade, then you consider it as a great prep for life and for the real world outside of school. It is going to be your most challenging year of English yet. The English 2 pre-AP curriculum focuses on argument, synthesis, and analysis of both literature and nonfiction. If you're in my AP or one of my AP English Literature classes, you can then be ready for a study of life and how literature thus teaches us about life. Our focus will be centered around what it means to be a human being. We will also spend a lot of time making sense of our lives and the world around us through our study of literature. We're going to go beyond the surface. We're going to look at what we think or what we think we understand, and then we're going to take it to the next level and see if we can understand the meaning behind those things. That is what literature is about, and I promise you that is going to remain the focus of everything we do in that class this year, helping you understand who you are and where you fit in this world. Specifics and logistics will be coming from the district, from the school, and from me as we get a little bit closer. I do know this. Both my courses will rely heavily on the new Canvas system this year. Almost everything that you do and submit to me will be done electronically, whether you are learning from home or whether you're in 222 at Plant High School. I'm moving towards a digital classroom, and that will enable us to be able to learn from everywhere. It will be a great year, I promise you that, no matter how it unfolds. I can't wait to get started, I can't wait to spend some time with you, and I can't wait to get you in room 222 at Plant so we can start working together whenever that may be. So, hope to see you soon.